What makes a human truly human? Is it intelligence? Is it power? Is it emotion? Is it survival? If intelligence alone made us human, then the smartest criminals would be the best humans. If power made us human, then dictators would be the highest form of humanity. If survival made us human, then animals would be more human than us. So what is it that truly separates a human being from everything else? It is not the body, it is not the brain, it is the conscious soul. A human is the only being who asks, "Why do I exist?" A human is the only being who feels guilt, gratitude, hope, and responsibility. A human is the only being who searches for meaning beyond survival. What makes a human truly human is not what he can do, but what he chooses. A human can lie but chooses truth. A human can hate but chooses mercy. A human can dominate but chooses justice. A human can destroy but chooses to protect. Animals follow instinct. Humans follow values. This is the difference. A human is not controlled only by hunger, fear, and desire. A human can rise above them. That ability to rise above instinct is humanity. But where does this ability come from? It comes from conscience. Conscience is the silent judge inside us. It is the voice that tells us we are wrong, even when no one sees us. It is the voice that tells us we should do good, even when we gain nothing. Conscience cannot be explained by evolution alone, because survival does not require honesty. Power does not require kindness. Success does not require sacrifice. Yet humans admire these qualities. Why? Because humans are not only biological beings, they are moral beings. A human without morality is intelligent, but not human in essence. What makes a human truly human is responsibility. A human feels responsible for his actions. He feels accountable for his choices. He knows he should answer for what he does. This is why guilt exists. This is why apology exists. This is why repentance exists. No animal repents. Only humans do. Because only humans understand right and wrong. What makes a human truly human is the ability to love without ownership, to give without guarantee, to forgive without benefit. Love is not instinct. It is a decision. Forgiveness is not weakness, it is strength. Sacrifice is not loss, it is value. A human becomes truly human when he chooses values over benefits. Another thing that makes a human truly human is the search for meaning. Even when a human has food, shelter, and comfort, he still asks, "Is this all?" Animals stop at satisfaction. Humans go beyond it. Humans want purpose. This thirst for purpose proves that humans are not made only for survival. They are made for significance. And here is the deepest truth. A human becomes most human when he recognizes something higher than himself, when he realizes he is not the center of the universe, when he bows his ego, when he accepts limits, when he seeks guidance. Humility is humanity. A human who believes he is the highest authority slowly loses his humanity. History proves this. Pharaohs, tyrants, and dictators were intelligent and powerful, but not human in spirit. Humanity lives where humility lives. And finally, what makes a human truly human is hope. A human can suffer yet still hope. A human can fail yet still believe. A human can fall yet still rise. Hope is not logic. Hope is soul. A machine cannot hope. An animal cannot hope. Only a human can, because only a human knows that he is more than what he sees. So what makes a human truly human? Not intelligence, not power, not success, but conscience, choice, responsibility, morality, humility, and hope. A human is truly human when he lives not only for himself, but for what is right. And the moment a human forgets these qualities, he may still look human, but he no longer lives as one.